National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 6, effective until midnight Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Brown, Callahan, Coleman, Comanche, Eastland, Fisher, Haskell, Jones, Mitchell, Nolan, Runnels, Shackelford, Scurry, Stevens, Taylor, Throckmorton, and Tom Green. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather situations and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.